We are discussing about electricity. Yesterday I told for you about the series connection and parallel connection. Let us see today the difference between series connection and the parallel connection. First I will write about what is the difference between series and parallel connection. Okay, and then I will talk about the heating effect in the electrical appliances. Difference between series and parallel connection. Series and parallel connection. Very important answer. This is an 8 marks answer. First one. So please see here. What is the difference between series and the parallel connection? Just once you remember what I explained, what are the diagrams I draw yesterday, and today you catch these points what I am giving here. Here what I am going to discuss is in series connection positive and negative terminals are joined alternatively. What is happening here? Positive and negative terminals are joined alternative. Means as I said for you, remember once the bulb diagram, only single wire we are taking, positive terminal connected to negative terminal. Again this negative terminal is connected to positive terminal. Positive terminal is connected to negative. Negative terminal is connected to positive. With a single wire, alternatively the positive and negative terminals are connected. Next, there is a single path of current. Okay, and here in series connection what will happen? If one bulb is fused off, remaining all the bulbs will be fused off. Why? Because you can see here the flow of the electricity is in one path. So, if one bulb is fused off, all the remaining bulbs will be fused off. Next, in parallel circuit what is happening? All the positive terminals are connected to one wire and all the negative terminals are connected to another wire. Okay, in parallel circuit all the positive terminals are connected to one wire and all the negative terminals are connected to another wire, and these two wires are connected to the circuit. Then we can see that the bulb will glow. Got the point? And here total current is distributed in the bulb. Okay. Then what you can see that if I am connecting the same way in series connection, means you can see that in our house all the means kitchen, bedroom and what is that, hall, in all the lights will glow. Is it necessary? No, because we have to save the electricity. So because of that it happens. So even if one bulb fails, the other bulbs continue to burn. Okay, if one bulb fails, the other. But in series connection what will happen? If one bulb is fused off, the remaining all will be fused off. This is an 8 marks answer. He will ask you to explain what is the difference between series connection and parallel connection and draw the diagram. He may ask bulb, he may ask battery, or he may ask the symbol. So you must be ready for that one. In series connection, positive and negative terminals are joined alternatively. Second one, there is a single path of a current. Next one, in parallel circuit, positive terminals are joined together, negative terminals are joined together and then connected to the circuit. Okay, next one, here total current is distributed in the bulb. Next one, even if one bulb fails, the other bulb continue to burn. Okay, the next topic is of heating effect of electric current. Heating effect of electric current. Heating effect of electricity. Heating effect of electricity. Here what we are going to discuss is that the point is that we know that when we switch on the bulb will glow. After 5 minutes you go and try to touch the bulb. What will happen? It will be hot. Is it correct or not? Immediately your hand will burn. Within 5 minutes, what is happening to the bulb? It gets heat up. How it is happening? That is heating effect of electricity means when we on the bulb, okay, in bedroom or bathroom or somewhere, whatever it may be, suddenly it was fused off or something, you want to remove that bulb. Can we catch it immediately with our hand? Means if we try to catch like that, totally our hand will burn. Means within few seconds, what will happen? It gets red hot. How it is happening? Then we are using electrical appliances like iron box, rice cooker, grinder, mixie. You can see that when we on them, you can see that they will become here. When we touch the down part of mixie, when you grind, you touch that one, it will be very hot. Within 2 to 3 seconds, the iron box will get heated up. Is it correct or not? How these all appliances, the electrical energy is converted into heat energy. Here what you can see that the electrical energy is converted into heat energy. How can we say that this electrical energy is converted into heat energy? What are the things making that electrical energy to convert into heat energy? When we are taking such type of appliances, if you are seeing a bulb, what is present in the bulb? Filament. What is present in bulb? Filament. With what the filament is made? It is made with the tungsten. Okay, so the filament is made with tungsten. This tungsten will get, when the electricity passes, this will get heats up. Did you understand? Because of that, the glass what is present when we touch, it becomes red hot. Did you understand? Then what in mixer? Okay, in mixie, grinder, iron box, rice cooker, okay, rice cooker, etc. In this all, how the electrical energy is converted into heat energy in this mixie, grinder, iron box, rice cookers and all. You can see that they are having wires, no? All are having, if you are taking what is that, cell phone wire, it will be very thin. If you are taking a mixie wire, it will be little bit thick. Okay, if you are taking grinder or washing machine or refrigerator, that also becomes little more thicker. Iron box also thicker. So what is that? It depends upon the capacity of the oven. We will have, no, the mixie capacity is 500 watts, 1000 watts, 1500 watts. So like this, when we are having 500 watts, 1000 watts, 1500 watts, whenever the watts, means the electricity is increasing here to 500, 1000 and 1500 watts, means the thickness of the wire also will be increased. The thickness of the wire also will be increased. It depends upon, the thickness of the wire depends upon the capacity of that electrical applicants. Okay, for everything we will have. Washing machine also 6 kgs it can. 4.5 kgs it can. Then 10 kgs it can. So according, whenever the quantity of that one is increasing, the thickness of the wire also will be increased. All the wires will be coated with, outside it will be with plastic. You all know that one. It is made with melamine or bakelite, like that plastic thing it will be. Inside what will be present? Inside this electrical appliances, nichrome is present. What is the wire made with? This point is very, very important. Nichrome is present. Like in the bulb, how the filament tungsten heats up when we plug on and when we switch on any electrical applicants, this nichrome will function as a filament. This nichrome will function as a filament to that particular object. So after some time when we switch on this nichrome which is acting as a filament, within 5 minutes it gets heats up. Okay, it gets heats up, and you can see that the iron box gets heats up, the rice cooker gets heats up and the rice starts cooking, then grinder, then refrigerator, washing machine, these all functions. Did you understand? Heating effect of electricity. Here what you can see means the electrical energy is converted into heat energy. Here what is happening? The electrical energy is converted into heat energy. We can, what is present? The bulb gets heats up. What is present in the bulb? Filament. Which is getting, is the bulb getting heats up? No. What is getting heats up? The filament which is present in the bulb gets heats up. What is the filament present in the bulb? Tungsten. What is the filament present in the bulb? Tungsten. It gets heats up. Then when we are taking all the electrical appliances, what we are having, which one is getting heat up here? The wire which is present. All the wires will not be of same length, same thickness. It depends upon the capacity. As I said for you here, 500 watts, 1000 watts, 1500, 2000 watts. Some more than that also it will be. If whenever the thickness, whenever the watts is increasing, the thickness of the wire also will be increased. And inside, what is the metal present means? That is nichrome. Did you understand? This nichrome will act as a filament and it gets heats up. Did you understand the heating effect of electricity? Here in our textbook, he gave for us some examples and asked to find out what are, differentiate them, he told. So that one we are going to discuss tomorrow. Thank you.